Olunaku olwaleero of course era eri Mutwe aleeteddwa mu kkooti ayingiziddwawo naye nga tasobola kwetambuza ye yekka nga takwatiriddwa. Embeera gy'alimu mbeera mbi nnyo nnyo. Ogenda mulaba mu butikitiki butono nnyo yuli sayidi eri oba olengera bulungi ku screen awo akamala okusembeza bulungi olabe bulungi yuuyo omulengera yuuyo bamuwanirira buwanirizi musajja wattu. Muggo n'aguteeka wali then n'atuula mu bulumi obwe ekitalo. Of course maama we gyali, mukyala we gyali, abaana be gye bali n'abantu abalala bangi abasobodde okubeera nga bagenda maaso okubeerawo bagenda maaso okubeera wali mu kkooti e Masaka muganda waffe ono gy'aleeteddwa. Mujjukire nti Edi Mutwe yakubibwa bubi nnyo nnyo, yatulugunyizibwa bubi nnyo. Omutunuulira emikono egyo agenda kuba kifaananyi kyo nkisembeze nti andowooza ogulaba omukono ogwe empingo zaamusala ogulengera wala maakisi eziriko empingo zaagusala bubi nnyo. Tasobola kubeera nga ayimiridde for so long ddakiika emu aba aweddemu amaanyi ng'alina kutuula butuuzi. State gy'alimu mbi nnyo. State gy'alimu mbi nnyo kikansooke nkwe ku ddoboozi.
May it please your worship. My name is Magera Nikazibwe from Magera Nikazibwe Company Advocates.
Your Honor, I am Samuel Mizi. So we had followed the order guided by my colleagues. My name is Samuel Muyezi Mulindwa. Jointly with the learned George Musisi, the learned Benjamin Katana. We have the learned Zixo Kahabat. We have the learned Sinabulia Jaberi. The learned Nakakawa Rebecca. The learned Nanteza Juliet. All counsel for the accused person. And Your Honor, before we proceed, at least 3 or 4 counsel. If we can interact, because he's trying to put up his arms to guide for guidance.
Of course bigenda mu maaso mu kkooti e Masaka era nga abalamuzi bo bakoze ogwabwe aba lawyers bagenda tebasobola kugenda mu maaso na kubaako kye bayogera na kye bakola nga Edi Mutwe ali mu mbeera bw'eti. ng'ali mu state bweti.
You're gonna commit us, right? And we are also mindful that this court doesn't have decision to hear charges. However, the accused person prayed, and in light of his physical appearance, that he's given 1 minute to address court regarding his plight, such that his physical condition is taken on court record, such that we have, on account of this state, we should be certain that he's following. So we pray that he's given that 1 minute just to explain his physical condition, and we also pray he's describing his physical ailment that's taken down on court record, and then the committee will process with our prayer. We have obliged by the and we also pray that possibly the court can take it on this record. Most of them.
Terera.
Ndandika mu kkooti wano nga ndika musaayi nze nanzegegere n'ebyo tewakkiriza lwamawulire obuyingira okulaga ensibe nga nefaanana nange musalire ekibonerezo ngenda mu kkomera n'omusango ogwansiga nga gumalira mu kkomera nti nabbajjampa ne sweta naye nga ndalaba ngeri yali amaze okukola ekibonerezo ekyampeebwa nakubwa ensingo zino zaali bugumi nabalabukiima naye wagamba bantu obujjanjabi obw'enjawulo mirapeinikirako mirabiri buli lunaku sifunanga bujjanjabi businga buno kongo kulekaaliramu eno ekikono babaditemako baditekonfune ku bujjanjabi buliro obulamu bwange bugenda sina bujjanjabi sina
Your Honor, from what you say that he's never got a proper medical checkup, and given the previous
Ndowooza muwulira obulumi maani n'ebyengenge namaze gagakuyitamu.
this is the condition he's going through. Your Honor, pray that that this person either remanded to Magistrate Bay facility, given that the medical examination that was ordered by court has never been done to date. And up to now, we don't know the extent of his injuries. Your Honor, whereas this court is not vested with power to hear the charges, but it's vested with powers to ensure that the accused person's rights are respected.
Your Honor, we are making a very specific prayer that committal proceedings be deferred. The purpose for which we wanted him to address this court, it was our assessment as counsel that he cannot even appreciate this process. And against that background, we are not, as counsel, we are not comfortable to proceed on his behalf as counsel, but those are not our instructions. Take him through the rigors of committee before the order that this court made is respected. Your Honor, treatment does not mean pain killing. As officers of court, I want to be on record. We visited him, there has not been any medical attention. And we cannot be seen to be railroading him through the process as if it's a mere procedure. Someone comes to court, is taken to another level.
But counsel, last time, counsel has appeared.
Yes.
I made a specific prayer.
Yes. Yes, Your Worship.
So,
And Your Worship, I wanted to. Yeah, I wanted to.
and I advised you on the question of jurisdiction. You know what I expecting.
Yes,
The applications you have also.
yes.
I don't know if you read
We have done so. Your Worship, I wanted to go on record for
to
that.
expedite that.
Yes.
Otherwise, you want to portray this court as if it has curtailed. It has not made orders.
Of course,
Your Worship, I
kyasabe
wanted-
kyekisinga obulungi olw'ensonga nti kyekintu ekirungi kyokka kwegamba kyekintu ky'osobola okukola ng'oli muntu munnamateeka like tosobola kulaba muntu ng'ali mu mbeera bweti mu butuufu agabala ayina obeera nga okontinuwinga n'okukola emirimu gya kooti kyolaba nga even n'okumusiba initially kyali tekyetaagisa. Of course byonna bimukoleddwako byali tebyetaagisa, tewana kimu kyali kyetaagisa okumuwamba, okumukuba, okumutulugunya kwonna kuba mutulugunya, buli kimu. Man.
Our client to medical assessment, and the next day application we have made requires evidence from the prisons. Your Worship, I wanted to go on record for that. Your Worship, for the record, since 5th of May 2025, we have actually made follow-ups on the issue of the medical report. First of all, if you make an application, the application we have made requires evidence from the prisons, and we have written to the Commissioner General requesting for a medical report, because from here I followed up this matter. I went with Mr. Mutwe, we met the OC prisons, and he made it very clear that that very moment he was going to subject our client to medical assessment, and the next day he would give us his report on the status. Up to now, we have not been availed.
So whose fault?
No, it is now the fault of the prison. Because we have done so, we have written to the Commissioner General, and we have not been availed with the report. The application has been made. That's why right now that the committee is ready, we are saying as council that it is not proper. It can be deferred, because the problem with the delay is from the prison.
Does the committee stop you from pursuing?
Your Worship, our argument is he is not in a state of appreciating even what is going to be read in a committee. The state in which he is right now, he cannot understand what exactly is going to be read. That's why we are saying that we can defer, and a new directive is made that he is referred to Maxwell Bay for better medical assessment. It is from there that we can get a better medical report. It is our humble prayer.
We note also the condition of the airport. Medical examination or treatment is not a condition precedent. Commitment to High Court. Even when it is committed to High Court, the orders this court makes and will be subject to the medical examination and proper treatment still stands.
Omutunulira emikono egyo akankana tateredde atintima yenna asika emikono engalo zino azisika kugamba oba kiki kye baakola muganda waffe ono man. Jjukira nti yatestifyinga nga oba mukuba ebiyiso yagamba byali 3 oba mwalimu ki.
That at this time now, since he has no mental impairment, we need to understand the consequence. We commit him, demand him to whenever they are ready, such that he attends his medication without a requirement for him to be brought to this court again.
Well, maybe we are not understood, Your Honor. First was the prayer of the learned George Musi, that this court has the powers to order for him to be transferred to any prison. There's that prayer will be demanded in action bay, which we believe has the facilities that we require. Your Honor, an accused person is entitled at law to be present at all times or through his lawyers. Your Honor, presence does not mean having his face here. Presence all his mental capacities in his proper state of mind. Having capacity to follow proceedings. We've interacted with him. Even the lawyers are about to break down. Your Honor, state has admitted that even court appreciates the condition he's in. What more do we need to state? Can we commit a person in his absence? Being here in person, in photograph, in picture, does not mean he's here. It's our prayer therefore that still that there is no rush, commuter should not be rushed. It may be deferred. For an assessment, even if it's just 2 weeks, we don't want more. So that we have a roof in court. He is not here, Your Honor, as provided for by law. It's okay.
ye mbeera muganda waffe Edi Mutwe mwali era nga baloyazi baffe bagezaako kakasa ba regime apologists bano babeere n'ekisa omusajja asooka agende mu ddwaliro ajanjabwe atereere afuna obujjanjabi. Of course obudde buno bukyali bwa kumakya era nga of course omulamuzi agambye agenda kukola judgment ku ssaawa zigenda kuba 8. Katulinde wenkoledde live oyinza ogiraba nga bamumye obujjanjabi oba nga babumuwadde ne just njagadde nkutegeezeeko nti by the time kwa bino bigenda mu maaso essaawa eno bino bigenda mu maaso essaawa eno, so saa 8 tezinaakutuuka kulaba oba ajjanjabiddwa akkiriziddwa oba takkiriziddwa. Ne gwe kyolina okumanya ali mu mbeera mbi nnyo nnyo nnyo. Mbeera ye mpozi n'ekirala n'uwa Mutwe ye tetunnaba kumanya wa gyali naye yawambibwa era ng'akyaterekeddwa mu detention centers zaabwe gye batulugunya ba comrades. Tetumanyi gyali, situmanyi gyali. Tugende maaso nga kyonna kye tusobola okukola tukikola naye nga maani kikuggwako otunuulira Edi Mutwe, kikuggwako. Tulanga nze nti omuntu awagira abasajja bano oyo omuntu aba mutemu, oyo omuntu aba ali remorseless, aba ali kugamba omuntu awagira abasajja bano abakola ebikolobero bino. Olina omusanga nga ataddeko t-shirt ya Muhoozi, olina omusanga ataddeko t-shirt ya Museveni. Kalaga walayo oyo omuntu nze mulabanga mutemu, mulabanga mutujju, mulabanga omuntu atayinaamu yadde ensa, omuntu nga paluseza empathy za malfunction nga kugamba nga ali awo yasigala kubeera kintuntu ku bino ebikolobero bino ng'omuntu talina kyakoze yadde n'akamu. Nze ntya nnyo abantu abawagira Museveni n'abantu abamukolera, ate oba nkutunuulira nga sinza na kwewuunya. Waliwo abantu bendaba nga beesimbyewo ku lwa NRM n'ogaane bannange. Really?
Okay. Tukomawo saa 8 omulamuzi awa ensala ye ku bisabiddwa. Tukomawo ku saa 8 omulamuzi awa ensala ye.
Bwete kkooti bw'egenza session esoose naye nga embeera yo si ya mulembe yadde n'akamu maani. Embeera si ya mulembe yadde n'akamu yadde. The best we can do, we must all do. Look, of course, era nja kukomawo nkubuulire in case kyonna ekiba kigenze maaso, nja kukomawo I give you that update. Selector Devi wali bakulembeze gye bali ab'enjawulo, mukyala we gyali, family gye eri abaana be gye bali, ba Lucy gye bali, Matthew gyali, bona gye bali. Okay guys, mulinda ate next update about this development ya muganda waffe Edi Mutwe mu court.